Welcome to section 3. In this section, we will be discussing the page layouts and designs. Starting from the first one, page setup. In page setup, we are discussing about the margins, the orientation, and page size. So, if you are with me, let's get started. So here, under layout, you have your margin. Under layout, you have the margin. Click the drop down arrow. Have the we are normal margin now. This our work. Have the narrow margin. I see how the narrow margin will be. Just watch here. Watch here. Have you seen the left margin? Watch the right margin. So let's keep it up. Normally we are normal margin. This is our normal margin. This way should be normally. So let's go to moderate. This is moderate margin. So let's go to mirror. This is mirrored margin. So let's take it back to our normal margin. So depending on the work you are doing, you can also use your cursor to spread it the way you want. Understand? Spread your margin the way you want it to be. Get. So, but after spreading, you can just take it back to normal. Understand? So, orientation. This is your orientation. We are on portrait now. So, we have the landscape orientation and portrait orientation. This is landscape orientation. This is the landscape orientation now. In the landscape orientation, you can see the way our work have turned to landscape. Understand? If I change it to portrait, you will see the difference also. Are you seeing it? Watch the edge. Watch the edge. Watch the edge. This is portrait. So watch these two edge. Let me take it back to landscape. On landscape, watch the edge. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So that's our orientation. Depending on what you want to type, we determine the orientation you will be working on. So the sizes, page sizes. So this is it. We are working on letter. If you take close look at letter and A4, you will see there's not much difference in letter and A4. So, but you should set your paper to your size to A4. Understand? Leave it at A4. Though to set it at letter is still good, but always leave it at A4. Understand? For your normal typing, office type and other work. But if you are on, depending on the work you are working anyways, maybe envelope A5, and this is A5, you see this is A5 size. Are you seeing it? This is A5. So this is A5 size. This is A5 size. This is A5 size. So it depends on what you are working on. This is envelope. This is envelope size. Are you seeing it? This is envelope size. So this is envelope size. Why opening all this? Because I have up to 10 pages here. Are you seeing it? So, and this is the side, this side of the envelope size. So depending on what you are working on will determine the size you will choose. These are different sizes. You have B6 and A6, Japanese postcard, envelope monarch, and there are different type of envelope here. So depending on the one you are working on. Understand? So, but for the because of this our tutorial, let's leave it at A4. So we're done with sizes. Using themes and styles. So by applying and modifying styles. So go back to our home. We'll come to styles. This is our styles. So we are normal. We can use this no spacing. Can use this heading 1, 2, 3, 4. But we can click down here to choose the different styles. So, but for us to see this very well, let me go to another document. So let's use this one to practicalize the styles. Let's click on this drop down arrow and you see different style. This is normal, this is header 1, this is header 2, this is header 3, and I see these are different styles you can use to type your documents. Different styles you can use. So whenever you want to choose change your styles of your document, you can come there and change the style. And why you have to select your style is depending on the type of work you are doing, so that it will remain consistent. Understand? So that whatever you are doing, that will remain consistent in that type of project you are doing. It remain consistent. So it's not that you started with normal and in another one is starting with no spacing and header 1, so it won't make the work to look neat and presentable. So teams. These are your teams. Different Office, Facet, Integral, Ion. So depending on the type of team you want to use, you can see if I'm hovering over this team, you can see this our work is changing. Understand? It's changing depending on the team you want to use. For team, you can see come down to this drop down arrow. There are different teams you can choose from for your work. So with that being said, let's go back to our this thing. Header, footers, and page numbering. So customizing header and footer, still under our inserts. Under insert, we have the header, we have the footer, we have the page numbering. So under header, so what is a header? A header is let me explain this way. Header is something you put in this page. Now let me say we have page, okay, let me say I want to have something like this, Legatus Computers. Understand? To appear on all the pages at the heading here I have Legatus Computer. At the heading here I have Legatus Computer. So all the headings for these 4 pages I will have Legatus Computer, and the footer I will have maybe dates or something, whatever I want to use in customizing it. So let me go to header, click on the header. So when you come there, you have different alignments. You can put it here, you can use this one, you can use this one, you can use this one. Understand? So let me use let's use this. So under my header I say Legatus Computers. Then let me go to the footer. I type let me say August 2025. So I have selected it. Understand? It will remain there. So in all the pages, this is Legatus Computer. You come to the footer, you see August. This is Legatus Computer. You come to the footer, you see August. To customize it, you can come here, up here, double click. Understand? Double click it to select. Then I can move it to the center if I wish. I move it to the center. I come here. I'm using my cursor key to move it to the center. I move it to the center. Good. I'm using the cursor key to move it to the center. If you don't know how to use the keyboard, so drop that on the comment section so that I will make a tutorial. I will drop course on the keyboard, but I believe everyone who is taking this Microsoft must have known how to use a keyboard. But if you don't know how to use the keyboard, drop it on the comment section. I will update you on that. So after doing this, you see that I did the editing on one, and it's affecting all of them. So that is where it works. The header and footer, they work together. So if you click on header, the footer will join. If you click on footer, the header will join. So this is it. And when you print this document now, you must see Legatus Computer there, and August 2025 there. As you can see all the documents, you have them in all the documents. So that is that. So the next we are on section 3. The next thing we are working on is inserting dynamic page number. Okay, we'll come to page number. Remember, we are still in insert ribbon. We come to our page numbering. So under our page numbering, click the drop down arrow. This is the top of page. So this one will be at the top of page. This one will be at the bottom of the page, and different positions. And this one is the page margin. Understand? Then current position. That is the way I am now. I want to add page number to the current position where I am now. Current page I'm working on. Format page number. So let's start with the first one at the top. So I choose this one at the side. Let me choose this one, and you can see I have page number in all this work now. I have page number. So this is page 1, and this is 2 at the top, and this is page 3, and the last one page 4. So still on that page numbering, under insert ribbon, I can remove the page numbering result. So I can customize this page number, format page number. Understand? I come here, I don't want to use numbers, number format. I don't want to use numbers. I want to use alphabets. I want to use Roman figures, Roman numerals. Are you seeing it there? I can use anyone I want to use. So now you say continue from previous page, or that is starting to continue from previous page. If that's what I want, I click there. If I want to start at, I will now mention where I want to start. Now I want it to start at let me say I. Okay, let's go up. Let me say I to start from 3. I'm doing the numbering. So let's say that started from didn't show. So what's happened? Okay, let's go back. Let's know where the problem is coming from. Okay, I deleted. Remember, I removed the page number, because before you format page number, you must have page number there already. Understand? So let's just put it back, because I say start from 3. Have you seen it? Start from 3. It starts from 3. Have you seen it? So next one now will be 4. Have you seen it? This one is 4 IV. Next one now will be 5V. Understand? So assuming I have done 1 and 2 in another Word document I opened, so I want to continue from the previous work, and is remaining 3, 4, 5. Understand? So I can customize my number to start from that number where I left off. Understand? So this is the end of this section 3, and in the next section we are looking at working with graphics and media. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification button, so that whenever we post new video, you'll be among the first to be notified.